Before you start dropshipping, stop because most people get AutoDS wrong. The surprising truth is that AutoDS is more than just a product importer. It's a full automation platform that handles inventory, pricing, orders, and tracking, saving dropshippers hours of manual work. AutoDS integrates with Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, and more. Once connected, it can automatically import products from multiple suppliers, sync stock levels, and adjust prices based on your rules. You won't believe what happens next when users see how much time they save daily. What used to take hours can now be done in minutes. Most people get this wrong by assuming AutoDS is only for beginners. In reality, even advanced dropshippers benefit from the automation tools, analytics, and bulk actions. It reduces human error and prevents overselling, which is critical for maintaining good customer service. Getting started is simple. You sign up, connect your store, and set up your import method. You can choose from manual, semi-automated, or fully automated product imports. AutoDS also supports automatic order fulfillment, sending orders directly to suppliers without manual input. The upside is obvious: full automation, multi-platform support, and advanced analytics for tracking store performance. You can focus on marketing and customer experience, while AutoDS handles repetitive tasks. The downside includes subscription costs that vary depending on the number of products and features. There's also a learning curve to optimize settings, especially for new dropshippers. Additionally, profits still depend on product selection, marketing, and pricing strategy. You can't just automate and expect sales to happen. The surprising truth is that AutoDS is a serious tool for anyone serious about scaling a dropshipping business. It saves time, reduces errors, and provides insights that can improve your overall strategy. If this honest review helped you understand AutoDS, subscribe for more dropshipping reviews and tips to grow your online store efficiently.